Well, hello all you lovely people. I'm Francisca and welcome back to my channel Everything Under the Sun. As you can see a Nykaa box here. Yes, I'm going to do an unboxing right now, and I have already opened the product, and because of safety and hygiene purposes, and I always use this Dettol disinfectant spray. It is very handy, and Dettol is a brand to go for all the safety and hygiene purposes. Even there are other brands like Savlon and Lifebuoy. I'm not promoting any brand here, but this is very handy, and the MRP is 159 as you can see here, and I don't prefer buying it online because there'll be shipping charge, which is a waste of money. So having said that, let's open it. What have we got here? Again, Pandora's box. And as you can see, my desk is quite clean. I'll be showing it to you after I shoot this video because I've shot a lot of Smitten products here and it was all messy. Now I have organized it really well. Let's and I'm having issues with lightning. Okay, I'm having issues with lighting here. I reside in Bangalore and it's pouring since 2 days. I cannot help it, but always there's like dim light. Cool. Let's quickly start the video and show you guys what all I have. And by the way, the next video will be a 30-day makeup challenge, not a makeup challenge, like skincare routine that I will be following, and only then I'll be suggesting you guys if you guys should go ahead and buy certain products, which you'll see in the next video. And part of that is this product. This is Himalaya under eye cream, and I have heavy dark circles, like it's like literally like too much, like goggles. So for that I found this product because it uses all like herbal ingredients. I'll be showing it to you. So camera, please capture. Okay, so this is under eye cream, as I told you, and it is Bergenia ligata Ciabdesa bacifera. I don't know, like these are all biological terms that they use. It says 50% reduction of dark circles in 4 weeks. So let's see how this goes. And I'm going to be doing a in-depth video on one of like 3 products. In that, this would be one, so I won't go in depth for this product. And but I feel that this product is quite promising. Okay, for certain reason my camera is not going to capture, I feel. Okay, so this is the first product that I ordered for all you people who are fighting night like under eye dark circles. You're gonna journey with me because I'm going to show you something exciting next, like after this video. Like maybe it will be uploaded once I'm done with this video. So let's see. This is the first product that I ordered, under eye dark circle cream from Himalaya. And what comes in my hand is this. So this is again Blossom Conjure. I love products from Aroma Magic. I have their scrub, I have the vitamin C gel. If you guys want me to review on it, those are the. So once I'm going to do proper dry skin video. So without much bakwas, let's get on to what we have in the box. So this is the Aroma Magic olive oil, smoothens skin, treats burns and wounds. Of course it does much more than that, and it is a 100 ml product, and it costs around 210, which is good. I always buy product which are in my budget. So this is the second product. Let me tell you at least how it smells. Obviously it should smell like olive, but let me see if it is with some fragrance. I'll just tell you. Okay, so it has like light fragrance, very mild. It can be neglected. So this is the second product. And And the third, this is a star product actually. I told you guys about the video that I'm coming up with. This will be the star product. This is a M caffeine green tea face serum for all skin types. It has green tea with vitamin C, which is the best for your skin. So it says all about the face serum and the number of products that it has and number of ingredients that it has, and I'm going to be applying this in the night. Okay, let's quickly open and see. Okay, so it is in green color. It says face serum, and what can I tell you more about this? Okay, let me tell you the directions of usage. On a clean face, apply a few drops of the serum and gently massage it into the skin using your fingertips. Follow with the application of a light moisturizer for locking in the hydration. Make it a part of your morning and evening regime. So maybe I'll be applying this in the evening, in the night, because I already have a like day moisturizer. So it comes in a tube like this. So okay, let me just, it comes in a tube like this where you have control of how much serum you want on your face. So this is really good, and it says for all skin types. So people with dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, everybody can use it. So this is a third product, and I'm going to be using it from today. Okay, let's move on to the fourth product. Okay, let me show you the other oil that I ordered. So as you all know that I'm fan of oils. I had already ordered coconut oil from Smitten, so this time I didn't wanted to order coconut oil. I'm a big fan of coconut oil. It works wonders and it is the best beauty product. This is Blossom Coach's Aroma Magic Castor Oil, again 100 ml, and it says nourishes skin and promotes hair growth. Obviously it does more than that. Like, I know a lot of benefits that this product does. Maybe I'll do a video one day, and a very useful product for skin, and not for skin, especially for your hair. It's really good. So this is the fourth product. Let me tell you if it has any fragrance or okay, both of it has a mild fragrance, so that is like it can be neglected. So these are the two oils. I'm really a fan of oils. These are the two oils that I ordered from Aroma Magic, and I got it for really less. So this is around 130 for a decent product, decent full size product. I don't know if it is like 100 ml. It says it's not like pretty full size. It's like 100 ml. Okay. So let's move on to the fifth product, and I have seen a lot of review of this rose water. I wanted a rose water for the summers when your skin gets itchy, and you're always sweating and stuff like that. So it says no artificial fragrance, preservative free. So this is the best. What else do you guys need? So this, I have seen a lot of YouTubers posting for this product, and it again says for all skin types. So off lately I have a dry skin, and off lately I have observed that products that are for all skin types suit me. So that is the reason I bought this, and all of us should have a rose water. It's a must. The best is Kama. I haven't tried this, so let me see. I saw a lot of YouTube videos on this rose water. It is from the brand TNW, steam distilled rose water. Again it says for all skin types, and facial toner, mist, makeup remover. Oh, you can also remove your makeup, but I'm not going to use it as a makeup remover. So it says now how to use. You should always read what is there on the product. It helps you a lot in certain way. To cleanse or remove makeup, spray the rose water all over your face, then wipe with a cotton pad. For toning and instant hydration, spray the rose water and let it absorb in your skin before applying a moisturizer. So I am going to be using this as a refresher, like a facial spray after I wash my face when I want to feel really brighten up my face and stuff like that. So rose water, every girl should have a rose water, and I'll be telling you in the next video of how this is, but this looks promising. The best rose water is the Kama Ayurveda rose water. It's really good. And this, let me try. So this is the fifth product. What we have in here, again I have on my face, the problem area is my under eye dark circles. So for that I thought this would be beneficial. This is like a cucumber eye gel mask. You can refrigerate it and then use it whenever you feel dull or whenever you feel your eyes are getting strained of too much work, constant looking at your laptop or desktop. So it costs around 185. I don't know how much I got this product for. And this, I really like this product. I wanted something that would cool my eyes. There's a safety lock here. I didn't that's a good idea. Okay. It comes in a nice transparent pouch which cannot be discarded. Of course, you can use it for something, can keep your cotton pads or anything. So this is how it looks. These are like these are gel based, so it will like be soft on your eyes. It won't be hard enough, and it is not attached. You have separate two pieces, and it looks like cucumber. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to refrigerate these two, and I'm going to use it like every day when I want to de-stress my eyes. So these two are really good. Again, this is a sixth product, and the last product that we have. Okay, it's not last product. This is the last second product, and wait for the last product. It's going to be very interesting. Okay. All these products are the first time they'll be used first time by me. I haven't used any of those. Okay, so this is, I already have a Nivea body milk, and this is a body lotion. It says natural oats, and it is for dry to very dry skin. I have a very dry skin, not very, but I have a dry skin. So I would buy all the products that suit dry skin. So it says 50% less plastic, squeeze and roll me up. The packaging is also different from than the Nivea products, Nivea body lotions. It says 90% ingredients of natural origin, 2% is the essential ingredients. So there are a hell lot of ingredients as usual. So I'm using the body milk right now. Let me use it. Let me use this and tell you how it is. Maybe I can compare both and tell for dry skin people which is better for them. I'll show you. Okay, so it's not very greasy. It absorbs quickly on your skin, and it's not at all greasy. It's very light, but I wouldn't say it is. Okay, it smells really good. Like I'm very bad in guessing the fragrance, but let me tell you, it smells like coconut oil, like coconut products from coconut. It's really nice. Let me use it for about 15 days and tell you guys which is best, if body milk is best, or this is an actually this is a new edition by Nivea. It says there were others but I chose the oats. Okay, I didn't tell you that it's oats one, right? But it's not mentioned anywhere. Okay, Nivea naturally good oats body lotion. Please excuse my tongue, it always slips as usual. Okay. Okay, it's written here. Sorry, how can I be so dumb? Body lotion, natural oats. So that is the reason I bought this. Let's see. I don't like all bleaching agents which says brightening and stuff like that. They'll have bleaching properties. So this is the last second product. The packaging is very good. It's like cute packaging. Packaging is good. Let me use it and tell you guys how it is. Okay, so the last product is very interesting for all of you. Thanks for watching till here. I'm sure you'll benefit out of this. The last product is from Juicy Chemistry. It says blood orange and rosehip organic lip balm for pigmented lips. So as I told you that I'll be doing a video, this will also be another star product. And for people who have chapped skin, chapped lips, I have chapped lips and I have a bad habit of biting my lips since so many years now. And of course many would have heard about Juicy Chemistry brand. Juicy Chemistry blood orange and rosehip lip balm, and I've seen a lot of YouTubers posting good reviews about this. So I thought let me try this and tell you guys. So this also will be experimented, and then I'm going to suggest for people who have extremely dry, chapped lips, pigmented lips. Let's see how it works on me, and then I'm going to suggest. I'm not going to suggest to you guys blindly. So this is on a little higher side, but I didn't mind it because if it works effectively, then kyun nahi. Huh. So it is 350 rupees, and let's open it and see. Okay, I'm going to cut open because it's not going to open otherwise. Okay. Wow, I always, okay, after opening the product I just threw the box. Don't do that. So this is how it looks. It's like tinted, proper tinted lip balm. I was from a long time I was looking for a tinted lip balm, and finally I got one with all organic products, with all natural products. Okay, what is drawn here even I can't see. It's too minute. Okay, so certified organic, no preservatives. Girls, what else you guys need? Okay, this is from the brand Juicy Chemistry. It looks very promising, but again I'm not suggesting this. Let me use it for at least for a month and then tell you guys. Okay. Oh, by the way, it's not pigmented. It is it's like yellowish, but of course I'll be using it in the night, so it doesn't matter. But I was looking for a tinted lip balm. Okay, no worries. It should do the work that it says, and let's see how it goes, and then I'll suggest you guys. And this is a glass bottle. If I'm not wrong, it's glass, so be careful with this if you guys are ordering. And it is, as the color is seen, it's yellow. It's not tinted. That's one disappointment, but it's okay. Let me use it and tell you guys how it is. I've used n number of lip balms. To be frank, I haven't benefited out of any. Let me see how this is. So these were the products. Thank you for watching me, and do wait for the next video. It's going to be very beneficial for all you girls. Thank you for watching my video. Do like and subscribe, and happy rainy days guys. Bye. Tada.